hello, nice to meet you. So I've heard you've been having some trouble with your breathing. So we're just going to take a wee look at it today. So I'm just going to listen to a couple of breaths on the front and then on your back. Is that okay? Okay, brilliant. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to place this on your chest and I just want you to take in a deep breath into your nose and back out. And in and out. Good. And again for me. In and out. And we'll just do the same on the other side. Deep breath in and out. And in and out. And just one more for me there, please. One breath in and out. Okay, now I'm just going to take a look at the back. Okay, so again for me, I'm just going to place this up at the top of your back and I just want you to take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Great. And just get you to do that again for me. Breathe in, out. Deep breath in, out. And again, we'll just do the same on the other side. Take a deep breath in for me. Out. In. Out. Doing great, thank you. And just one last one. Deep breath in, big as you can. And out. Great, thank you very much.